How air controllability and interior comfort impact building occupants. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we investigate how a building's design and function impact occupants' well-being, including interior comfort, views of the exterior, and thermal control. Occupant well-being relates to the whole building performance through design and function of the building for occupant use. We will review three areas within occupant well-being: air controllability, natural connection, and interior comfort. The goal of these is to give each occupant some control over their immediate environment. These also create a healthy building, focusing on interior thermal comfort and unobstructed views to the exterior, creating a feeling of connection with the exterior. All four green building certifications have a category or component related to occupants' well-being. Design features for air controllability encompass thermal comfort and ventilation, provide optimal conditions for the interior space. Giving occupants the opportunity to open or close windows allows them greater use of natural ventilation and impact their immediate environment. Each of the green building certifications we've looked at has some area related to air controllability and, again, giving the occupant of the building control over their immediate environment. As we just discussed, for energy efficiency, the addition of thermal breaks in the aluminum framing systems improves the energy performance of the system and reduces heat transfer from the interior to the exterior. As technology of glass and glazing and the framing systems themselves have improved, there is less and less trade-off inherent to maximizing view versus thermal performance of other materials. Much can be said for a traditional brick and mortar building for thermal performance, but visual connection to the exterior environment while utilizing thoroughly broken framing systems improves worker engagement while maintaining thermal comfort and building efficiency. Expanding the percentage of glass and glazing in the building envelope is not a trade-off anymore. It's a win-win for thermal performance, daylighting, and views, along with occupancy well-being. Operable windows contribute both to ventilation and thermal comfort. It is considered natural conditioning. There are a number of high-performing operable windows on the market in a variety of different functions. Some manufacturers also offer operable vents that can be integrated into larger glazed elevations. These are located so the occupants of the room can reach over and open them or close them as needed, or be tied to the HVAC system so that the building operates the vents themselves. And these give the occupant the ability to control the air around them and control their immediate environment, increasing interior thermal comfort. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.